Welcome back. Welcome back to the SR20 build on my 240SX Zenki. It's coming along. We got some more stuff in the mail. So let's see if we can get some of it installed. First up, I'd like to see if we can install the new gasket and bolts for the turbo outlet here, for this intercooler outlet. Okay, old gasket, it's in pretty good shape. We're just going to throw the new gasket on anyway. Let's grab a couple new bolts. I got 3 just because I only needed these 2, but okay, now that that's tightened down, nice and secure, we're gonna add the bolts, the nut to the top here. Won't be able to use gloves for that. I found one of the nuts the other day. It was sitting here on top of the strut tower. Put just a lock washer on. That's all we'll need. That and that. There goes the school bus. Alright, as you can see, we have that outlet on now. And we have the air intake outlet on. Next up, we are going to do the air intake. We're going to connect the MAF to the cone, to the pipe, and then the MAF sensor wire over to its connection over here. We've got our MAF sensor, adapter for the air filter. We're going to mate these 2 together. And then we can stick this here, set that there, yada yada yada. I don't have a mount to actually hold the filter up, so I will have to do something about that. But for now, let's get this together and get it installed. Now that that's all connected together, this can go down here. I'm not putting any of the pipe brackets on just yet. Right, I don't think I have that connection. Yeah, so that one's too big. It fits over this way. But doing that reverses the way that sensor is mounted, and I would imagine it matters. Right, so this is the only way it can go. So too big. So that goes that way. And this goes this way, but it's too big. That one's just a straight, doesn't fit over that one. Too big. Okay, so I need that to work. Unfortunately, that stops us there with doing that then. Let's just mock it up for soups and giggles. Because this we can run. It plugs in over here. There we go. And it'll run down and across. It'll go somewhere like that. So that's what it will look like. And that'll probably sit more like that. Unfortunately, we don't have the proper silicone connection. And that'll pretty much do it for the day, because I need to find some bolts that'll fit this solenoid, and it's a 1/8 drill bit that fits through there. So 1/8 bolt, or I think an M2 or an M3 will fit. So I'll have to wait and go to the hardware store and find that before we can do that up. For now, it just sits nicely down there. And that ties everything up for the day. There's really not much more I can do today. Just some research. Find out if I put this in properly. Hopefully. Look for a boot that fits. And then wait on more parts. We'll see you next time.